channel. This is a Mega K Brick Warrior. Sorry I didn't upload any videos lately, but because I finally finished with that other thing that I was doing for my wife. So that's finally over with, then I go upload more videos. So this is going to be a haul video and a build video as I recently purchased a set from Lego store, and I will show you that right now. That set is set number 75237, the ATT Walker, the newest version. I was waiting for this to finally come out. It did back in August, but then it didn't come out until the middle of August. But that was sold out at the beginning, and but then later on, like a couple weeks later, they restocked it, which is good. I bought this from my local Lego store. It was sold out quickly. One day I called them to see if they had it. It was sold out quickly, but then they were getting new shipments, so I called them the day of the shipment, and they had a few heads in stock. So I wasn't final. So it's still a popular set. And with that, I also got a gift with purchase. Ray the Castaway. If you spend any more, if you spend any more than $120 or more, you get this as a gift with free with purchase. The set number is 40566, and it comes with 239 pieces. Also on the same video, I'm gonna build this set. So let's take a look inside. Comes with 5 bags and 1 instruction booklet. I believe there's no sticker in this thing. So that's it. So next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna build this set and see you in a bit. it comes with a few accessories like the wrap right here, which you could attach to the island, like this. And this is where Ray lives. This is his hut. There's some flames right there. He also have a pedal right here too. And there's a couple of palm trees. There's a rice raft. There's also crab on the island. And some tree life. Also bonus. There's a treasure chest. I guess he found it while he was on the island. And there's some jewels inside. And also there's things that there's a couple snakes here. I don't know why that's there, but I guess it's part of the environment. So I really enjoyed this build. I wish I could have the other keyboard pictures throughout here, but then budget wise, and also because of budget constraints. I really like this build. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what would you like to see next, and have a nice day.